Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to solve a very important problem from module 4 on the topic of Central Limit Theorem. So the question is, a random sample of size 64 is taken from an infinite population having mean which is equal to 112 and variance equals to 144. Using Central Limit Theorem, find the probability of getting the sample mean x bar which is greater than 114.5. So now first we write what is given in this question. Solution given. So what's the value of mean which is equal to 112. Now standard variation which is sigma square which is 144. What is the value of sigma which is 12. Now what is the value of n? N is nothing but sample size which is equal to 64. So now by the central limit theorem, the sample distribution of x bar is approximately normal with mean mu x bar which is nothing but mu in terms of x bar. That's why we can conclude that mu of x bar which is equal to mu. Now we are looking for standard error. Standard error. So what is the formula of standard error? Sigma of x bar which is equal to sigma y under root n. So what is the value of sigma which is 12 divided by what is the value of n? 64, then 12 by 8 which is nearly equal to 1.65. So what is the standard error which is equal to 1.5. So what is the required in this question is, we want probability of x bar which is greater than 114.5. So for finding this, now we are looking for standard normal variant which is equal to z. So what the formula of z is x minus mu by sigma, but in terms of x bar we can write it as x bar minus mu by sigma. So what the value of x bar which is 114.5 minus mu value is 112 which is there, and divided by what is the value of sigma which is 12. So here this is not sigma of x bar, so we are finding for x bar, that's why we are using sigma of x bar which is equal to 1.5. so 1.5. so when you solve it, it becomes 2.5 divided by 1.5, it becomes 5 by 3 which is nearly equal to 1.662. So this is the value of our standard normal variant. So now probability of x bar which is greater than 114.5 which is equal to probability of z which is greater than 1.6667. So now we can write it as 1 minus 5 of 1.6667. So what is the value of 5? 1.6667 which is nearly equal to 0.9522. So from where we get this value? We get this value from the table which is standard normal table which is given in the external examination. So don't worry about it. So now put the value p of x bar which is greater than 114.5 which is 1 minus this one 0.9522. So when you subtract from 1, it becomes 0.478 which is nearly equal to 0.048. Here 0 is there, 0.0478. so now probability of x bar which is greater than 114.5 is nearly equal to 0.048, or we can write it in terms of percentage 4.78%. So this is our final answer. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.